back to my channel. I'm Dazy from Intomylilworld.
Hello, so by now you must have got an idea what this video is all about. This video is all about kitchen organizers. So yes, I really wanted some organizers for my kitchen to sort out the kitchen space, and I really did not want to spend much money on it. So when I saw there were things lying down here and there, and and I had that idea that I did not want to spend much money on it. So I thought, when I have my magical hands, why shall I not use it and create something magic out of it? So you figure it out. How did I do that? Let's get started.
The first organizer is a fridge magnet. I took a thick cardboard, very thick one, colored tissue paper, a colored peg. I've taken a round circle thing to just get this cut out. And this is how it will look. So for Mod Podge, please follow the process as shown on the screen. So this is how it will look after it dries up. So to just seal the Mod Podge, I'm going to varnish it. And see, can you see the shine on it? This is how it will have. So you can use this peg, and I'm using this magnetic strips that I had from my son's toy. I'm going to glue it really well. And now it's a time for the peg to be on the cardboard. This is how the organizer would look like. So this organizer I'm going to use to pen down the lunch or the tiffin menu for my child for the complete week, and it will be so easy and handy for me to just look around in the kitchen and just prepare it. The second organizer is an egg tray. So I had this cardboard box. I think I got it as a sweet box. So I'm going to use it as an egg tray. So let's see how it is. I'm using this white acrylic color to paint white all over the space. And this is how it will turn out after it dries. So again, I'm going to Mod Podge. I have taken this colorful tissue. So we have already seen the Mod Podge process, and this is how it will look. So I had this egg tray. I have colored it golden so that it can match up with my box. So I'm sure you will have those worn out bells at home. So you can use this, and I'm using it as a handle, and this is how you can just turn it. Use the glue. And I have pasted it from inside. And this is how it will look. So this will give you a very sturdy and handy look. You can really carry it well. So now it's a turn for the egg tray to be inside. Just stick it with the glue and see. And to add up more colors to it, I am using this red yarn to brighten up that tray. that's ready. I really loved it, and it was very handy. It's very easy to carry. So let's see how did I decorate that kitchen space with it. Third is the label candy organizer, a plastic jar, talcum powder, black acrylic color. I'm going to prepare chalk paint, so I would need a 2:1 ratio of talcum powder and the acrylic color. Mix it really well, and it will have a thick consistency. Clean the bottle, clean the jar really well, and then I'm going to apply this chalk paint on it and create a rectangle shape on it. And this is how it will turn out. It's completely dry and it will give a matte effect. So it's time for the chalk. So I've taken a chalk and I'm going to write candy on it, since I'm making a candy jar. You can write any other thing. You can write pulses on it. You can use it as a pulses jar. So now it's turned for the jar lid, and I'm going to Mod Podge it again with a colorful tissue paper. And this will be the final look. If you really like my videos and you want to see more such videos, more such DIYs and magical things with your waste products, so do subscribe and hit the bell button. Do like, share and comment. I would definitely give the solutions and answers to your queries. So till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching.